Mae cARTrefu yn cynnig trawstoriad o celfyddydau gwahanol mewn cARTrefu Phobl Hŷn yn gynnwys cerddoriaeth, dawns, barddoniaeth a gwaith celf. Mae yna elfen cymdeithiasol i'r gweithgareddau a maen nhw jyst yn gwneud rhywbeth sy'n gobeithio sy'n hwyl ac wrth gwrs maen nhw'n cael profiad cerddorol. Dwi yn meddwl bod y trigolion yn gwerthfawrogi'r cyfle i trio rhywbeth newydd allan. Hwna'r pobl wedi elfen pwysicach, swn i'n deud, bod nhw'n cael teimlo bod nhw wedi creu rhywbeth. Mae cARTrefu yn cam yn cyfeiriad cywir mwyn darparu gweithgareddau fel yma i pobl hŷn. Da ni wedi cymryd y cam gyntaf, ond da ni angen datblygu hwnna yn bendant.
The Dance for Parkinson's project has been running in Cardiff now for almost 2 years. This dance class is specifically for people of the older community and specifically for people with Parkinson's. It focuses on alleviating some of the symptoms. So perhaps by the end that they're moving much more freely, they have much more confidence. We focus on vocal work as well and facial expression, so they're perhaps more expressive facially by the end. You can see that through their smiles, and there's just a lot more freer movements and mobility. I know there are many other people in the older community that perhaps aren't aware of the opportunities that are available for them. So I think it's just really encouraging that communication to raise awareness of all the opportunities that there are.
Mae'r Canolfan yn darparu cyfleoedd i bobl o bob oed a cyrhaeddiad i ddatblygu talentau cerddorol. Roeddwn ni'n gweld bod ella angen am gyfle i bobl ddod ynghyd yn ystod y dydd. Felly dyna oedd y syniad drwy'r sefydlu'r côr. Agored unrhyw un, ond wrth gwrs gan mae cyfarfod yn y dydd maen nhw, mae'r aelodau i gyd dros i 100% a mae'r mwyaf wedi ymddeol. Mae o'n brofiad cymdeithasol pwysig i'r aelodau hefyd. Maen nhw wedi dod yn ffrindiau mawr a maen nhw'n trefnu pethau tu allan i'r ymarferion côr hefyd. Mae nifer ohonyn nhw falle yn byw ar ben eu hunain a ella ar ôl ymddeol, wrth gwrs yn falch o gael cyfle i ddod allan a chymysgu efo pobl newydd. Mae cerddoriaeth a'r gallu, mae'n goresgyn bob ffin ieithyddol ag ati, mae'n dod o bobl ynghyd, gwneud i bobl deimlo'n well, a mae'r effaith, pe mae'r côr yn dod yma i brenteiant i ganu, mae'r effaith cadarnhaol yn ei weld ar wynebu'r preswylwyr, a mae hynny'n werthfawr iawn i bawb sydd yn rhan o'r prosiect.
So the project is a stroke choir for members of the community in Cwmbran. It's made up of stroke survivors, family and friends, and we meet once a week to come together through music and singing. A stroke can happen to anyone of any age, but here in Cwmbran the choir is primarily made up of elderly people. The choir has improved people's confidence, it's had positive impacts on people's communication, and also people have said that they feel more involved in their wider community. So I think for the Stroke Association, we really value the importance of going to our service users and really asking them what they want. You know, a couple of people expressed they'd like to get involved in music. There's real benefits with singing and stroke survivors, and so I think going to people and asking what they want is the key for getting more people engaged in the arts.
Mae'n hawdd iawn meddwl, reit, maen nhw'n hŷn, nawn ni wneud hyn efo nhw. Dwi'n cofio pan nes i gyfarfod y grŵp gyntaf, o'n i dychmygu byswn ni'n trafod crochet a violin a bob math o ryw bethau, yr stereotypes yma. Oedden nhw'n trafod 50 Shades of Grey pan nes i gyfarfod nhw gyntaf. Dyna chwalu'n syth yr rhagfarn yma sgyn bobl yn erbyn pobl hŷn. Maen nhw'n bobl sy'n ifanc iawn i hysbryd, beth bynnag mae bywyd wedi gwneud i'w cyrff nhw. Ac felly trin nhw gyda parch a sylweddoli, mae pobl ydyn nhw efo profiadau arbennig. Ac yn bod ni'n gallu elwa'r profiadau ni hefyd.
One of the things that we hear a lot is that taking part in our theatre projects reminds people that they're not alone. One of the big issues facing older people in our society, unfortunately, is isolation, and becoming part of a creative project can give people a sense of belonging again. And you know, some people have said, actually, I feel like life is worth living again. Now I've got this opportunity to be creative. We do collectively, I think, have a challenge about how we reach the really isolated older people, because we know there are thousands of people out there living alone or perhaps living in care homes who might benefit from the arts, but just we're not reaching them. And I think that's a job for all of us.